it's Krisabella, and today we have this Disney Princess cash register, and it has 4 batteries included, and it has a microphone and some accessories and a key and some money. And let's open it. Mommy, can you help me open this?
Okay. Let's show first the box.
It's so pretty. Remember?
Let's open it.
Let's open it. This is boxing. Whoa! It's here's the cash register. Turn it off. Oh, it turned it off. Here's the cash registers. Hey, there's this.
Mommy will help you.
Wow! What is your
The fish.
See that fish in the machine? Let's open it.
We have a microphone,
Yes.
a weighing scale,
Yes.
automatic conveyor,
Yes.
using for a battery,
Yes.
a manual calculator,
Yes.
and also a cashier register.
Yes.
And the drawer with a key. Let's open it.
Okay. Akin na yung microphone.
Let's put the battery. Let's open the product.
Yes. I'll open the button. Put the button in the button.
Wow, we have a cute basket with lots of product in here.
Yes.
We have an apple juice, Disney apple juice.
It don't have any lemon.
We have a milk chocolate.
Don't have anything.
We have a cookies.
Don't have anything.
The basket. And also this one is a fresh milk.
Smell. I miss it when it goes to me.
Let's open also the money. We have here. Oh, this is the key. The money. Krisa, you put it there.
Money's in
We
my
have a
money.
card. We will swipe it here later.
I need to
And also lots of money. Disney money. Disney princess money. 25, 10, 200, 200, 100, 50. Let's get first the money. The coin.
I'm just getting out this. Thank you. What's the fair money? The fair of the money. Fair of the money. Fair of the money. And fair of the money. Oh, there's the money matters. More air. Where can I put this?
We have a drinking water.
Yes, it's still gnawing.
Okay, this one will I buy
I'll
later.
give you a chance.
And this one is a fresh, wet product. Fresh fish. We have a fish here, a corn. Wow, lots of product. Corn, chicken, fish, and this one, a bell pepper. Let's put the money here. Let's open the cashier register.
Yes.
Put some coins. 5 to 20. 1, 20, 10, and 50. And also the paper money here. Okay. Let's close it. Okay, customer Krisabella, do you like to buy?
I like to buy car and
You put in your basket.
okay, there it is.
This one.
First
You
I
put
can.
here in the basket. What is this? You want to buy cookies?
Yes.
And this one is chocolate. Oh wow. Next.
Chocolate.
This one, fresh milk.
Yay.
And this one, apple juice.
And this one, water.
Oh, you want to buy also water.
And you put my card here.
Okay.
Put my card.
Okay, this is your card. Wow. Later I will. Okay, let's put the product in the conveyor. Okay, 6.7. Next. Okay, next.
Next, let's get the chocolate.
Okay, next. Okay. Nothing else?
Yes.
The total is $21. You pay mommy $21 or I will use your credit card.
Here, this
Okay.
is 9,100.
You wait, mommy, not all that one. You give me some
See, you give me too much.
$50 and mommy will give you a change.
Change?
Yes.
You give me 4, 5, 6.
You wait.
You pay me. I'll give you some money.
Mommy will give you a change.
Yes, I'll give you a change. My money.
You pay me $50, so I will give you
Here.
later, anak, this one 25 and
26.
20 cents. Okay.
Thank you for all my money.
Okay.
I have this and this. More big.
So this is your basket. Mommy will put all your product that you buy here. You both. Okay. Next. Do you want to buy another one?
Yes!
Okay, what do you like?
I like fish and pepper and corn and
Oh. I think you will cook.
yes, I can cook in the kitchen once a day.
Okay. What else? Chicken. You like to buy chicken?
Yeah.
And corn. Okay. Let's put it here.
Yay!
We will weigh this corn. How much is this? The corn. Oh, this is $3.5. Oh,
Three?
$81. 18.6.
You thought
The
it was-
chicken.
Oh,
Oh, it's 3.0.
3.0.
Okay, next.
Beep, 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 beep.
This one.
This is my fish. All my fish.
Bell pepper. How much is it? Oh, it's 18.6. It's very expensive. Oh, you have a discount. Become $2.1.
I have lots of money.
Okay, next.
I have lots of money.
The
because
chicken.
it's-
And
No
the fish. Fish. Sorry.
Here's your
How much
money.
is the fish?
Here's your money.
Where is the fish here?
The
Oh,
money.
it's $9.2.
My money.
Okay, your total price is
My money is very expensive. Yay.
9.2 plus 2.1 plus 8.4 plus 9.8. The total is $26. So mommy is asking for $26.5.
There you go.
Oh, not all that one. 26 only. They give me 25 and 1 peso.
Yay!
This
I
one.
gave you some.
Okay.
I have
Here's your card. Krisabella, this is your card.
Another one. Another one. There.
Mommy will open the cash register first.
I have another one. Blue.
Okay.
It's a blue. Oh, it's a blue.
And here's your card.
Thank you.
You have lots of food and drinks to you buy in mommy's store.
Now it's
Oh,
my
I forgot
turn.
the 1
Now you said wait.
peso.
Okay. I need to make your change.
How about the Shopkins? I think you want to buy Shopkins also.
Yes, I like burgers.
Okay, let's put it there. Wait. I will... Okay, Krisabella is the one who will be the cashier and mommy will be the buyer.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, what is your order, ma'am?
Oh, my order is Shopkins.
Okay.
And here it is in the basket.
Yes, you need to pay that.
Okay, you put it here in the conveyor. And let's see what's the price.
Ah, it's not going.
Okay, $6 next.
Your burger.
3.0. Next, this one.
Ulit? La 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 la. I'm doing it. Whoop.
It's 9.2. How about this one?
That's your lipstick for your machine.
6.7. My lippy lipstick.
It's she likes to fall down.
Yeah. Okay, it's 3.5.
Now your pineapple. Sticking there.
12.4. The last one. Oh, 4.3. And what is the total price?
It's 452.
The total price is 32.
32.
Okay, mommy will pay you. Mommy
Here
will put it here in the basket.
you go. Here's
Let me
my.
show you in the camera.
I'll be in the fair. Here. Okay.
The total price is, what is the total price?
It's 6.7.
6.7.
And you give me my money.
Okay, I will pay you.
Okay.
You open the drawer.
I'll open it. Meet my key.
Okay.
Mickey and Mickey.
Oh, you put it here, the money. Then you give mommy a change. You give me change. You give mommy a change.
I give you
I
a
pay you
change.
$10 and I will, my total
7.
amount is 6.7. So, wait, mommy will calculate it here. 10 minus 6.7 equals 3.3. Your change is 3.3 cents. Give mommy 3.
Okay. I'll give you
3.3
3.3.
is your change to mommy.
Okay. You give me my money and I'll give you your money. Okay?
Wait, I will get it here. I cannot get it. You get because your finger is small. No, that one, the 5 peso. 5 euro. And I will give you 2.
2 pesos.
Okay, put it there.
And you give me too much. I'll see.
Close na your drawer. Oh, I want to buy also some cookies.
Yes. And you gave me
I will put it here in your conveyor.
okay, let's do it. I'll do it because I'm the cousin. La, la, la.
How much is this? Oh, it's very expensive. It's 18.6.
Do you have expensive money?
Yes, I have a card here.
Okay, I'll pay it for
You
you.
put it there. How much is that?
Oh, just 0.
You put it there again. You swipe it. Oh. Ganito anak. You wait. Ganon. Ayun. Okay. So, I already paid this one. Paid.
Yes.
Okay. I want to buy another one because I'm very thirsty and I want to drink some water.
Okay, that's very expensive.
Okay. Let's see what is the price.
La, 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 la.
Also some chocolates. I want to buy
Okay.
chocolate.
Okay, you do that. You eat that in home.
Okay, how much is this? 6.7? Oh,
That's very
cheap.
expensive.
Cheap. It's very cheap. Next, this one. I want to
No.
buy apple juice.
Yes. You give me a change again. Okay, la la la. I'm giving you a change.
Next, fresh milk.
Yes. Oh, la, 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 la.
How much is the total price?
5, 6, 8. 5, 8.
Put it here. The total
Okay.
price is
5, 8.
5.8.
5.8.
Okay, I will give you a coin.
Yes.
This is 5.8.
My key. I need my key. My key. Oh, my key. Falling down.